Good morning. When do you wake up?
Boy, I wake up at 7 daily.
Oh, nice. I wake up earlier.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do first?
I drink water after waking up.
Good. Water is very healthy.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and wash.
Same. That is my routine too.
Morning cleaning feels very good.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I stretch for 10 minutes.
That is a nice habit.
Yes, it wakes my body up.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs usually.
I eat fruit and oatmeal.
That sounds very healthy.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea every morning.
I drink coffee on some days.
Coffee smells really nice.
When do you start your work?
I start around 9:30.
Oh, good. You have enough time.
Yes, I like slow mornings.
Okay, I should get ready now.
Yes, I should get ready too.
Talk to you later today.
Sure. Have a good morning.
You too.
Bye.